Welcome to the guide to Axie Infinity Ronin bridge tutorial. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of using the Ronin bridge to transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains. First, you need to understand what the Ronin bridge is. It is a bridge that allows users to transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains, enabling seamless interaction between the two ecosystems. The Ronin bridge is specifically designed for the Axie Infinity ecosystem, allowing users to transfer assets such as Axies, SLP, and AXS tokens. To get started, make sure you have a MetaMask wallet installed and set up, with some Ethereum in it to pay for the gas fees. You also need to have an account on the Ronin wallet, which can be downloaded as a browser extension or mobile app. Next, navigate to the Ronin Bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet to the platform. You will be prompted to select the asset you want to transfer and the amount. For example, if you want to transfer some SLP tokens from Ethereum to Ronin, select SLP as the asset and enter the amount you want to transfer. After selecting the asset and amount, you will need to confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. This will initiate the transfer process. The transaction will be processed on the Ethereum blockchain and may take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, the assets will be locked on the Ethereum blockchain and an equivalent amount of assets will be minted on the Ronin blockchain. You can then claim the assets on the Ronin wallet by navigating to the claim page on the Ronin Bridge website. It is essential to note that the Ronin bridge uses a burn and mint mechanism. This means that when you transfer assets from Ethereum to Ronin, the assets are burned on the Ethereum blockchain and minted on the Ronin blockchain. This ensures that the total supply of assets remains the same across both blockchains. Finally, best practices dictate that you should always make sure you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fees, and that you double-check the asset and amount you are transferring to avoid any mistakes. Additionally, be aware of the current network congestion and plan your transfers accordingly to avoid high gas fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use the Ronin bridge to transfer assets between the Ethereum and Ronin blockchains, and start interacting with the Axie Infinity ecosystem.